Hi, my name is Brandon and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about WholeLeaf before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about WholeLeaf is, be careful with the website you're going to buy WholeLeaf from, because WholeLeaf is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is WholeLeaf and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, WholeLeaf works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will reduce your anxiety and stress, relieve chronic pain and aches, enhance focus and clarity, promote healthy sleep, and help quit smoking addiction. How does WholeLeaf CBD works? The endocannabinoid system regulates everything from relaxation to eating, sleeping, inflammation, and even cognitive function. In a nutshell, the ECS is responsible for making sure the entire body is working optimally. CBD has been medically proven to positively regulate your ECS, addressing issues such as anxiety, insomnia, chronic pain, hypertension, and even cardiovascular issues. CBD is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream to trigger a positive inflammatory and stress response. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with WholeLeaf, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test WholeLeaf for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for WholeLeaf to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. From the minute you take your first CBD, cannabinoids will flood your system, acting as natural neurotransmitters to stop pain, end anxiety, ensure a good night's sleep, and promote complete body balance. Your results will improve with continued use. CBD is 100% non-habit forming and is completely safe. It can be taken daily, has no psychoactive properties, and will not harm you in any way. Plus, your satisfaction is 100% guaranteed. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, WholeLeaf has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy WholeLeaf from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that WholeLeaf actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.